Alright, in this practice we're going to use the ultrasonic sensor, the sonar sensor. It detects distance, so we're going to use that input to control both motors, outputs, and an LED light. And so we'll start out with our pseudocode. First thing we're going to start out in the program is we're going to have our right motor and our left motor running from the beginning. And so I'm just going to say start right motor, start left motor. Then we're going to have our condition for the input. So when the sonar detects 20 inches, we are going to stop right motor and stop left motor, and we are going to, at the same time the motor stopping, we're going to turn on the green LED, and we are going to wait 6 1/4 seconds, and then we are going to turn off the green LED. So let's go ahead and write the natural language code. So the first thing we want is start motor. We want left motor. And let's make it half power, and so I will go into my pseudocode and add that. My colon, so it goes down to the next line. Next thing we are going to do is start our other motor, start motor. In this case, it's going to be left motor, and if you look, I made a mistake in the first line. I put left motor and it should say right motor, so I'll change that. Alright, then we're going to use until sonar less than, so that's natural language, 20. So as soon as it's less than 20, our sensor name is sonar. When that happens, we are going to stop motor, right motor, and we will stop motor, left motor. And at the same time we do that, we are going to turn LED on. We named our LED and our motor and sensor setup green. There we go. We will wait 6.25 seconds. And then we will turn LED off. And again, we named our LED green in the motor and sensor setup. Go ahead and tab over your pseudocode. Finish tabbing over your pseudocode. I'll then compile the program, download it to the robot. We've got a couple of issues. M is not capitalized here. So I'll close that and try to figure out what those issues are. Turn LED. So I had a couple capitalization problems. Remember when these yellow X's come up that it is not, it'll still run the program, it's substituting the correct variable for you, but sometimes it's good to go back and try to figure out what those problems are, so you just know how it's reacting. And so we'll go ahead, and once we have it downloaded, we have our problems fixed, we'll start the program. And so our right motor and left motor are turning now. Our sonar sensor is like at 32. As soon as we cover that up, our green LED should come on. It should stay on for 6.5 seconds, and then it should turn off. So our program works.